Welcome, welcome. I am opening Magic the Gathering's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Play Boosters. If I can get the cards out. Alright. So we got Mutant Chain Reaction, Zog, Triceraton Castaway, Tunnel Rats, Return to the Sewers, Action News Crew, EPF Point Squad, Zoo Escapees, Quintessential Katana. Neat. Oh, I did it again, didn't I? Pizza-faced Gastromancer. Ew. Wingnut Bat on the Belfry. Raphael Tough Turtle. Cool but rude. Brilliance Unleashed as a shiny tubular. TCRI building, and a mutagen token with mutant on the reverse side. Nice. And alright, so we got Cool but Rude as the rare. It is a 2-cost. Whenever you attack, you may discard a card. If you do, draw a card. And then pay 2 more to get to level 2. Whenever you discard a card, this class deals 2 damage to each opponent. And then 2 more, when this class becomes level 3, search your library for a card, put it into your hand, shuffle, then discard a card at random. Brutal. But it's only 6 cost. Well, thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a lovely day.